Hi, greetings dear friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you today? Yes, today we're going to celebrate. Today is a day where we celebrate you, where we give thanks for your contribution to humanity. Today is a day where we celebrate the gifts that you bring into the world, the joy that you give to other people. Today, this meditation is all about you, about the way you move through the world, about the kindness, the love, the generosity, the care you show to others. So today is all about taking time to really honour and celebrate yourself. How are you going to do that? I'd love to know. And I want to celebrate you and say thank you. I want to say thank you for you, for being in my world, for showing up, for reminding me who I am, for supporting me, for encouraging me, for listening to me, for listening to my words, my writing, my videos, all my guides, mentors, oh my goodness, my ancestors on whose shoulders I stand. Today, right now, I honour you. I call on your name. I give thanks for your grace, your strength, your beauty. Oh, and I ask for more. I ask that we all stand strong in our power. I ask that we all love ourselves enough to make that next move, to make that phone call, to write that letter, to do what we've got to do, because we believe as gentle hearts that we're here for a purpose. So today, as you celebrate yourself for showing up in your life, being present in your life, hold it in your heart, magnify it, and then send it out into the world. And just know that everything you say, feel, or do is creating the rivers, the grooves, sankharas we call them, in your body, your mind, and your soul. You're imprinting that, strengthening your desire, your commitment for change. So today, celebrate yourself, love yourself, big up yourself, and just know that by doing that, you allow others to stand in their space, be who they are. Thank you. And to wrap up, we're going to do a little jitty, a little song. Done it before. It's I am wonderful, I am beautiful, I'm happy as can be. I used to teach yoga to little ones, and this is one of my favourite songs, just to remind themselves how wonderful, how beautiful, and how happy they are indeed. I am wonderful, I am beautiful, I'm happy as can be. I am wonderful, I am beautiful, I'm happy as can be. One more verse. I am wonderful, I am beautiful, I'm happy as can be. I am wonderful, I am beautiful, I'm happy as can be. I'm happy as can be. Mm. Well done. Let's just sit for a few more moments, noticing what we notice. Mm. Thank you. Well done. Well done. Well done. Thank you. So take care, look after yourself, and if you like this video, please click the little blue button, little thumbs up, and that just helps me to keep going. That just shows support to YouTube and everybody else. All right, take care, dear friends. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Namaste and thank you.